All right. Hello, guys. You're welcome. You're welcome once again. Let me take you through some price action and let's anticipate some moves for the new week. Okay. So this is Euro JPY. I'm going to analyze for Euro JPY, analyze for XAUUSD, for Euro CAD, for Euro USD, and some other pairs actually. So it's just this is not a signal. I'm just analyzing price action, pure price action for us to know the most probable direction. For you to take a trade, you need your direction and you need entries. You need to get the direction right and you need to get entries right. Okay, so look at this before we continue. I actually did catch this trade. I caught this trade. All right, this trade, though I left right early, quite early, around here. So let me quickly show you. It's been a while I did pre-market analysis and all of that, but yeah, I trust you guys have been doing fair. I'm fine. So price rejected from this support, from this higher time frame support, and then after the rejection, I simply waited for my confirmation, right? That is the break of this support right here. So after the break, I entered from the QM and then had my SL below. Yes, and I had to target the next nearest resistance. So and that was how I was able to get this trade. And Euro JPY has been trending upwards as we're just almost the same thing as gold. I could say they are they have some correlation, Euro JPY and gold. And right now price has really displaced a lot. So just like this entry, I'm also seeing something very beautiful similar to that right here, a rejection from this support, and then I'll be waiting for this break, the break of this up right here. Not just a break, but a break with a body and close above it, you understand? So on the 1 hour, simply on the 1 hour. So it should be, the candle should at least be, yes, the Monday candle, the beginning, the Monday candle, it should be a Monday candle. If it breaks here and close above before this particular time, that's before 0 we are not going to take the trade. So then I'm enter from the QM and below the support. So that should give nothing less than, let's see. So guys, I'm actually doing this with the Forgotten Alchemist, the MSNR. So yeah, not my typical SMC. So some things are in SMC that I'm also using, but yeah, mostly MSNR right now. So we should have at least 13 RR. But if you want to stretch our luck, because obviously Euro JPY is also at all-time high, so we could literally just swing it and hold to this high 18 RR. I think wait, let me adjust my SL a little bit. Okay, I knew there was space. It should have been more than that. So you see, I have my entry here and I have my stop loss right here. So this is beautiful. I will have this, and then you see to the high I have 22 RR, while to the nearest resistance I have 16 RR. So that's that on Euro JPY. Let's check out XAUUSD. I was saying XAUUSD and EJ, they have correlative futures, right? They are correlative. So on U XAUUSD is also bullish. Now, okay, I think I already showed us this, did I? This I caught. Yes, I came out early as well. I didn't stay for the whole 42 hour, but I actually used this in passing a prop challenge. You understand? The first phase of a prop challenge. So you see, it gave a total of 40 hour. Just such a beautiful trade, such a beautiful entry. I actually caught it live. Not this is not back testing. Okay, so let's see something beautiful that's about to happen again, again and again and again and again and again. Let me cancel this and then okay. Let me also cancel this. Wait, I think I have it on Saxo. On Saxo, yes, I think so. I don't usually use the Saxo, but recently I've been developing some interest in Saxo. Okay, I knew it. So this is my view on gold. Gold already confirmed, gave some little confirmation for next week that is going to be bullish. It's going to be bullish, but I won't just enter that way. I already have my direction at hand, which is the long. So I'm going to wait for my daily SNR level, my daily SNR level to So I'm going probably to enter Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, but definitely not on Monday. So if you want to go aggressive on the 4 hour, you can actually put your entry right here at this support and then target this, which is 21 hour. But if you want to be a little bit more conservative, like I want to, I will be using my daily SNR, which will then give me my entry at the 1 hour. So probably hope for a better RR that way, a better RR that way. Yeah, so that's that. That's that. I'm also bullish on gold. And Euro card, let's see something on Euro card. Euro card, Euro USD, they are still very, very bearish. Just like a prophet, I predicted the falling of Euro USD, and it has happened. Alright, I'll show you. But for now, let's see what's on Euro card. I have nothing specifically on Euro card yet, but definitely I'm bearish on Euro card. Right, I'm bearish on Euro card, but I'm waiting for the monthly candle to close. Yes, I'm already bearish on Euro card. So I'm waiting for just one or two other confirmations for me to start getting my bearish entries. Okay, I have my directions. Remember, let me write it down here. Two very important concepts which you can't afford to do without, which is what? Number one, your direction or directional bias, and then you should then look for entries. Okay, one thing about the market, a freebie. Let me just give you a freebie here. One thing about the market is this: if you get your direction wrongly, I can promise you, you'd see entry for both buys and sells. For both buys and sells, you see entry for both buys and sells. So if direction was going to be bullish, and by some mistake you determine the direction to be bearish, I can promise you, you see entries to the downward side. That's the market. Entry, you definitely see entries to the downward side, and you take it and you end up getting stopped out. And okay, it might even be a correctional move for you. Fine, that's still okay. But once you get your direction wrong, I promise you, you see entries that will support it. So that direction is just as important as finding a good entry. And at times you could get your direction right, and your entries will be at the wrong place. So both are just as important. Okay. And this should be the nearest target. Alright, nearest target. So That's that on Hero card. On Hero USD, let's see. I'm so happy with my predictions on Euro USD. Can you see? Very, very crazy. Very, very crazy. 24, 15. Okay, okay. There was something here. There's something here. Okay, this stopped here. Actually, yes. And all right, these new movements, I'm expecting to fall all the way down. But let me check something and see. Okay, then so I'm expecting to come all the way here. No hindrance at all. No hindrances at all. Euro US is going to fall all the way here. All the way here. All the way here. Okay, that's a good one. Euro US is going to fall, man. For it's time to look for entries to the downside, to the downside, to the downside. Alright guys, so let's try and check whether we can see one or two entries. One or two entries for uh okay, for Euro USD for the new week. Um, this is a safe high. So understand that this is a safe high. There is a daily resistance there. So you should, once you get a correctional move anywhere from here, you should get your entry to fall back down. Let me see. Let me mark out some probable entries. So I'm not planning to take Euro USD trade this week. I'm only planning to take for EJ and gold. EJ and gold. Okay. Right. This could be a good entry. This could be a good entry. Fine. That could be a good entry. Um. Yeah. I think that could be a good entry. So you could literally catch the trade there and then extend it all the way. It's a swing. It's a swing. I'm more towards the swing sides, the stage. So you could have this. It's a good risk. Oh. It's a very, very good risk. So you could have something like this. 7 risk to reward. Alright. For some big risk takers, this could make you pass your challenge phase, right, on your props. So that's that. So guys, I hope this has been helpful one way or the other. All right, so don't forget to do it. Let me just type it here to follow Peeps Dojo. Follow Peeps Dojo. Okay. The level of accuracy on this group is not random. Okay. You can't you there are literally few places you can see. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much. I'll see you at the other side, at the profit side. Yeah.